Alright, 49, 50, and 51 will be in this video. Again, we're preparing for your Try-2 geometry final. It says a triangle has sides of length 27, 79, and 84. Is it a right triangle? For this one, we want to see if c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Remember, c is going to be your biggest number, so this one's going to be c. Let's call this one a and this one b. So we're going to do 84 squared equals 27 squared plus 79 squared. Alright, if I do 84 squared, I get 7,056 equals 27 squared is 729 plus 79 squared, which is 6241. If we add, we have 7,056 equals 729 plus 6,241, and we get 6,970. Again, these are not equal, so that tells me it's not a right triangle. Now, actually, notice c squared is greater than that. It would actually be an obtuse triangle because c squared is bigger. Alright, 50 says a triangle measures 33 centimeters, 65, and 56. Is it right? Again, we're going to do c squared equals a squared plus b squared. C is going to be that biggest number, 65. Let's call 33a and 56b. So we're going to have 65 squared equals 33 squared plus 56 squared. If I square 65, I get 4,225 equals 33 squared is 1,829 plus 56 squared is 3,136. Again, we're going to add, so we have 4,225 equals 1,089 plus 3,136, and we get 4,225. These ones are equal, they work, so that tells me it is a right triangle. Yay, it worked. Alright, my last one said Wayne used the diagram to compute the distance from Ferris to Dunlap to Butte. How much shorter is the distance from Ferris to Butte than the distance Wayne found? Alright, so we need to figure out the distance directly from Ferris to Butte. Again, we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem. Let's call 20a 15b, and we're looking for c, our hypotenuse. Again, we're doing a squared plus b squared equals c squared. My a value is 20, so we have 20 squared plus 15 squared equals c squared. If I square 20, I get 400 plus 15 squared, which is 225, equals c squared. Now 400 plus 225 gives me 625. And if I take the square root of both sides, I get c equals 25. Okay, and they want to know, we want to know how much shorter is than the distance Wayne found. So Wayne calculated the distance from Ferris to Dunlap, and then from Dunlap to Butte. And so he did, Ferris to Dunlap was 15, and then Dunlap to Butte was 25. 15 plus, not 25, 20, which equals 35. So for our final answer, we're going to take Wayne's total, 35, subtract our c, 25, and we get 10 as our final answer. Alright, thank you for watching. Good luck on your final.